Uninstalled apps on your phone. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. This video is for those who uninstalled an app, forgot which, and want to reinstall it. I'll show how to reinstall apps you've removed from your Android phone. Like these kinds of videos? We've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright folks, let's get started. First, open the Play Store. Click below to access it. Next, tap on your profile picture up top. Important, make sure the email is correct. If not, click the arrow to see other emails and Google accounts. Mine's correct, so I'll click on Manage Apps and Devices. In Overview, you'll see available updates, storage usage, and app sync options. That's not what we're looking for, folks. We want this Manage option here. Let's manage both installed and uninstalled apps. Under Manage, it shows all the apps on my phone. Leo, I want to see the ones I uninstalled. To see uninstalled apps, click this arrow and select Not Installed below. Not Installed shows all apps no longer on your phone. In Apps, you can filter by name or recent updates. It'll show from oldest to newest uninstalled apps. Leo, how do I reinstall? Just click on the app you want. For example, I'll click on the Opera browser to reinstall it. Tap it and hit Install to put it back on your phone. Remember, you can support the channel by clicking Thanks and donating. Quick and easy, folks. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.